Hey everybody, Thursday, March. Why do I keep doing that? Hey everybody, Thursday, May 23rd. Going by the basin, still nothing happening for another couple of weeks. But I was out here in the morning and I saw the crane across the street. Wow, look at the size of this plane. Woo! I saw the crane, so I thought something's going on down here. And that is why we are here. All right. It's really cold out here. Okay, remember I was saying that I didn't notice any, see these black things on the top? Which I'm assuming are for the surveyor. And I said I didn't see anything on the top of these. Well, I don't know how I missed them, unless they just put these on, but they've got them down on the sides over here. I think they just added these. Maybe somebody wants to look at my other videos and see if I missed them. But I just noticed them today as I'm walking by. I'm like, wow, how did I not see these? Okay, so I saw the crane and I'm thinking, I have no clue what this crane is for. It's freezing out here. It is really cold. You can see the sky. Cloudy morning, sailors take warning. I don't know if we're supposed to get rain today. My sister's driving in 3 hours to have lunch. It's kind of crazy. So I don't know if it's supposed to rain. The sun's trying to peek out over there. And I saw the crane, I'm thinking, what does he have on the end of this crane? And I don't see anything. Just like yesterday, I didn't see anything on the crane. But they're moving something. So we'll find out if they're moving plates or there's another airplane way, way out in the background. Look at that. Look at this sky. It's definitely cold out here. It's dry and, could it be dry and damp at the same time? I don't know. Okay, I think I'm going to see something over here in a minute. Okay, I didn't see that before. See those? Let's try to get that. I didn't get a good view of the walls there before, like I've got now. I'll be able to see it better on the video. But there we go. One of the employees over there. So let's see what the heck they're doing over here. I don't know what they're moving. Oh, I see a metal. Okay, what the heck are they doing? I think it's connected to another beam. Is it a beam or is it the small? No, a little piece. Those things must be very heavy. Good, I'm glad I came out here, so at least I'll know what the heck they were doing yesterday. Yeah, that's probably very heavy. Those are small. Beep, beep. And the wheels go round and round. That's a very oddly shaped piece of material. Trying to zoom in. Is that going straight down in the pit? I have no idea. I'm trying to walk and balance without falling. Alright, let's just do this. Walking on a concrete thing about 4 inches wide. There it is. It's going down in the pit. I don't know how many more of those they have to put in there, or how many more they put in. Looks like it's going all the way down, but again, I do not believe they have dug the full 35 feet down. So No activity to see today. If I can get an airplane, that will make me happy. Get something to record. Yeah, this is a big nothing today. It's still moving way down. I should have been watching to see how far down that cable went, so I could estimate how deep they were going. Not that I would be able to estimate it, but there is just nothing to see. There are a bunch of beams way, way, way at the back. Let's see if I can get that. You can probably see it on video right now, but I just don't see it on the display. There are a bunch of beams way back there on the hill. Okay, I'm waiting for the camera to focus for me. Right back there, so those are going to be used for something. We still have all this wood over here that I'm sure is going to be used for something. And this massive mound of dirt. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I remember this thing was really big, and then they moved it, and it went really really low in height, and now it's back up there again. So I don't think this is going to be used to backfill whatever they were taking out. I just don't think they have trucked it out of here yet. But maybe they're going to level this thing off. Who knows? Alright. I'm going to wait for the vehicles to get away from here, and then I'm going to walk out of here. Too many people walking behind me. Okay, people. I know I wasn't going to come here today. Ow. And I probably was not going to come here tomorrow. But there really is just nothing to see. So, we walk out of here now. Alright, yeah, look at the size of that pile of dirt. It's massive. But, you know, they might use this to level this whole place off once they're done, because they've got all this area over here that's way, way down. It's all dug out compared to the rest of the property, so they might fill this whole place in. Here, we got an airplane. At least we have something. We got a bike rider, and we've got an airplane. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Alright, if not Friday, I'll be back Monday. Got another bike behind me. Had to get ahead of the bike. Could not wait. No patience. There it is, people. This sign was brand new, not even a couple days ago. As I was pointing out, I was surprised that they put up a new sign without graffiti. And I'm not going to say anything rude or racist about people that don't live in this neighborhood coming in here to destroy it.